Hey, what's up, Cardano? Hold you. Today video has gone absolutely very important, very informative for Cardano holders, especially. Cardano is one of my favorite cryptocurrency. I love Cardano. I'm also holder of Cardano. So let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this live price prediction, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you just click out the subscribe this channel, then I inform you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So guys, everyone can ask me this question to why Cardano totally goes down and those days. So this is one big reason. But before, first of all, I can show you the last 1 hour, result, and the last 1 day result, and the last 7 days result. Then we decide to why this is selling time or buying time, to why they goes down. So everything and discussion as starting now. Please like video and subscribe channel. So guys, first of all, you have seen on the screen the 1 hour result. You can see here the chart as minus 0.42% goes down. So this is absolutely very bad, but this is absolutely very small change, but absolutely very bad, because Cardano is very fastest cryptocurrency. They can go like a rocket, but in those days I don't know this time I don't know why they gone down. But at the end I explain you why they gone down. So let's get started. First of all, let's see the last 1 day result. Okay, the second, first of all, I can show you the last the 1 hour result as absolutely and the minus. But let's see the last 124 hour result as zero change. You can see here, but the latest price, if you can see here, as 1.19 US dollars. Absolutely, just focus this. Okay, the result of a change as a zero, absolutely change. So let's check it out, the chart of 7 days, and then we decided to this as selling time, buying time, what's going on, okay, and why they can get down. So guys, if you can see here, the price, the latest price is 1.23 US dollar. But if you get remember the 1 day result, which I show you already as 1.19 US dollar. So tell me, they gone down or they gone up? So this is absolutely they gone down, and this is one big reason, and I explain in this video. Okay guys, so this time you can see here the minus 0.59% goes down. So this is also small change, but this is absolutely a dump. So why? First of all, I explain this to why it goes down. They can give you changes and the minus. This is one big reason. If you can see here, if you can check here the graph result, absolutely a small dump, but again they can jump. This is small dump, but again they can go up and they can take a jump. So this is absolutely a good result, not a bad, but this time you can see here this totally goes down, and those days already and the last 24 hours they can starting goes down. So what's the reason? The reason is that this is the start of month, and every start of month all cryptocurrencies as goes down. So this is one big reason to all cryptocurrencies as goes down in the month of start. But at the middle of month they can show you a good result, they can give you a good result also in a plus, not in minus. Okay, so wait for the end of this month, wait for the middle of this month. I hope they can give you a good result. You can see here the price is absolutely this time very high, but if you can check it out the last 1 day result, then absolutely the prices goes down. So this reason as that this is the start of month, and I hope at the middle of month they can give you a 2 US dollar. So if they can give you a 2 US dollar, then why you gonna sell it? Don't sell it, just hold it. And if you want to buy it, then absolutely this is good time. This is good time for buying. So just buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. They can make you a millionaire. They can absolutely give you a good profit. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed. This information is good for you. Please, if you need this type more videos, then please subscribe ABS Tech channel, like videos. See you next time.